हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा से. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर बुकलेट इज, this is question number 31. Question number 31 of our booklet is, the question is, a wire of length A is cut into two pieces which are bent respectively in form of square and circle. The least value of sum of areas so formed is, A option is a square upon pi plus 4, B a upon pi plus 4, C a upon 4 pi plus 4, D a square upon 4 pi plus 4. A wire of length A is cut into two pieces which are bent respectively in form of square or circle. So, let one part of wire is equal to x and another be a minus x. X part be, let x part be made into, circle and a minus x part be made into circle. Let x part be made into circle and a minus x part be made into square. Now I can say x is equal to 2 pi r. It is a radius, this is a circumference. R is equal to x upon 2 pi. And area is equal to ay is equal to pi r square, pi x square upon 4 pi square. Then it comes out to be area. Area A, this is area, I take it A2. Now I can say A minus X. This is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side is equal to A minus X upon 4. Then area A2 is equal to, this is A minus X the whole square upon 16. Then area is equal to A1 plus A2. This is x square upon 4 pi plus x minus x the whole square upon 16. This is A. Now we go for, it is differentiation because we have to say the least value of sum of areas so formed. So dA upon dx, this is equal to 2x upon 4 pi minus 2 into A minus x upon 16. It is for maxima or minima. For maxima or minima, dA upon dx is equal to 0. This is equal to x upon 4 pi is equal to A minus x upon 16. It comes out to be 4 pi, 4x is equal to pi a minus pi x, or I can say x is equal to pi a upon pi plus 4. This is equal to x. So the thing is, so we have to calculate what? We have to calculate one part is x, another part we can find out by subtracting a minus x. So one page is pi a over x, and then another part. Basically हमने निकालना क्या? We have to find out the least value of sum of areas so formed. हमने कैलकुलेट करनी है द लीस्ट एरियाज हमने फाइंड आउट करने हैं. देन वी कैन से इट इज x is equal to this one and a minus x. It comes out to be, it is, this is, I can say this is area is equal to, it is x square upon 4 pi, it is pi square a square upon 4 pi into pi plus 4 the whole square plus a minus x. It comes out to be a minus pi a upon pi plus 4 upon 16 the whole square. This is, I can say this is area is equal to pi a square upon 4 pi plus 4 the whole square. This is equal to pi cancel out, it is 4a, it is 16a square upon 16. Now we have to take the common, if we can take it anything. It comes out to be, it is, this is area is equal to 16 and 16. This will be cancelled out. Now a square we can take it common. We are left with, it comes out to be pi. It is pi upon pi plus, it comes out to be pi plus, it is 4 pi plus 4 the whole square. It comes out to be 16. 16 will be cancelled out. Pi square a square. And denominator is same 4 plus pi square. So यहाँ पे ये आएगा into pi plus 4 the whole square. Area I just write down here. मेरा यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? It comes out to be, I just do write down over here. This is, I just rub it over here. Now area is equal to, this comes out to be, it is 16. 16 cancel out. It is, it comes out to be a square pi plus 4 upon 4 into pi plus 4 the whole square. This will be cancelled out, and area is equal to a square upon 4 into pi plus 4. Now the right answer is D part. देखो इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करना है. ए वायर ऑफ लेंथ, ए वायर ऑफ लेंथ a is given. एक वायर की लेंथ a गिवन है, टोटल लेंथ. मैंने एक पार्ट हमने ले लिया x, एक पार्ट ले लिया, इट इज a माइनस x. किसी एक पार्ट का हम सर्कल बनाएंगे और दूसरे पार्ट का हम स्क्वायर बनाएंगे. तो मैंने क्या लिया, x पार्ट का हमने सर्कल बनाया. जब x पार्ट का सर्कल बनाया, दिस x पार्ट आई जस्ट डू इट लाइक दिस वे. ये बन जाएगा, यहां से रेडियस की वैल्यू निकाली. रेडियस इज इक्वल टू, इट इज x अपॉन 2 पाई. एरिया A1 इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पाई स्क्वायर. एरिया इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पाई. A2 किसके इक्वल आएगा, इट इज a माइनस एक्स अपॉन 4 द होल स्क्वायर. इट इज अपॉन 16. So dA upon dx is 2x upon 4 pi minus 2a minus x upon 16. Now for maxima or minima, dA over dx is 0. From here we got it x as pi a upon pi plus 4. Now x हमारे पास आ गया, डबल डेरिवेटिव की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज मिनिमम आएगा. बेसिक थिंग है, हमने एरिया निकालना है, तो हमने एरिया में इसमें वैल्यू पुट कर दी. I got it pi square a square 16 a square upon 16 pi plus 4 the whole square. On solving we got it, this is, I can say this is area is equal to a square upon 4 pi plus 4. The right choice is, the right option is D part. Now I'm just coming to the next question. After 31st I'm coming to 32nd question of our booklet. The question is sum of question number 32. the sum of length of hypotenuse and another side of right angle triangle is given. Sum of length of hypotenuse and another side of right angle triangle is given. Show area show area is maximum when angle between these is A pi by 12, B pi by 4, C pi by 3, and D it is pi by 2. If sum of length of hypotenuse and another side of a right angle triangle is given. अब देखो इसको हम कैसे करेंगे. We draw one triangle over here. See, we have been given H. We have been given X. I suppose that this is X. It is X and this is theta. This is 90. So, sum of length of hypotenuse and another side of a right angle triangle are given. Since से पहले I suppose it let H and X are hypotenuse and a side of right angle triangle. Then let Y be third side. Let Y be the third side. Here H square is equal to X square plus Y square. Now we have to find out sum of the length of hypotenuse. This is given, and H plus X is equal to K is given. This K is equal to given. Here we have three variables H, X and Y, और जो हमारे पास given है that is K only. Now this is given who area is maximum. यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है, इस ट्रायंगल में एरिया मैक्सिमम करना है. एरिया होता है हाफ एक्स वाई. एरिया इज इक्वल टू हाफ एक्स वाई की जगह आ जाएगा इट इज एच स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. अब यहाँ पर एच भी हमने सपोज किया, एक्स भी हमने सपोज किया, हमें के गिवन है, तो यहाँ से मैं वैल्यू ले लेता हूँ एच इज इक्वल टू के माइनस एक्स. आई जस्ट फाइंड आउट. आई सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज हाफ एक्स इट इज के माइनस एक्स द होल स्क्वायर माइनस के स्क्वायर. एरिया इज इक्वल टू एरिया स्क्वायर 1/4 एक्स स्क्वायर. K square plus x square minus 2kx minus x square. X square will be cancelled out. We got it. Area square is equal to. This is 1/4. It comes out to be k square x square minus 2kx cube. 2a dA upon dx is equal to 1/4. K square into 2x minus 6kx square. For maxima or minima? For maxima or minima, dA upon dx is equal to 0. It reaches over here, it is 2k square x is equal to 6k x square. This is equal to, it comes out to be k is equal to, this is 3x. Now I can say x is equal to k by 3. X is equal to, it is k by 3. Now h की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? H is equal to k minus 3. H is equal to k minus k by 3. H is equal to 2k by 3. So हमें we have to find out theta. So I can say here it is x upon h is equal to cos of theta. x is k upon 3 upon 2k upon 3 is equal to cos theta. Cos theta is equal to half. Theta is equal to pi by 3. So the angle it comes out to be, the angle between these two sides is c pi. हमें given था sum of hypotenuse and another side. So I have taken it h and k, and the angle between them is, it comes out to be theta. Now what we have been given in right angle triangle, we know that Pythagoras theorem, h square is x square plus y square, and we have been given h plus x is equal to k. हमने यहाँ पे हाफ एरिया मैक्सिमम करना है, एरिया इज हाफ एक्स वाई, वाई की वैल्यू यहाँ से निकाले, सब्स्टिट्यूट ओवर हियर. नाउ वी गॉट इक्वेशन, वी गॉट अवर एरिया इन टू वेरिएबल्स एच एंड के, लेकिन आंसर शुड बी इन वन वेरिएबल. तो हमने क्या किया, यहाँ से एच की वैल्यू निकाल दी, वी पुट इट ओवर हियर. It is area square. Now 2a dA over dx is equal to this one. Now we find out dA over dx. For maxima or minima, dA over dx is 0. K, x is equal to k by 3. H is equal to k minus k by 3 is 2k by 3. It is now x over h is equal to cos theta, k by 3 over 2k by 3. Cos theta is half, theta is equal to pi by 3. So the right option is C part. Now, the next problem of our booklet is, it is question number 33rd. Question number 33rd is the sides of a rectangle of greatest area. The sides of a rectangle of greatest area which can be inscribed in an ellipse. We have been given the sides of rectangle of greatest area which can be inscribed in ellipse. X square upon 8, y square upon 4 is equal to 1 are given by A is 4 comma 2 root 2, B 2 root 2 comma 2, C 2 comma root 2, and D is 4 root 2 comma 4. Now the sides of a rectangle of greatest area which can be inscribed in an ellipse. So we find out, this is a, suppose I draw this is ellipse. So I just draw it once again. I am trying to draw a symmetric curve. Symmetric मतलब इसके center से यहाँ पे, and I just pass it from here. Now I draw a rectangle over here and here. It is, let ellipse is x square over 8 plus y square over 4 is equal to 1. Any point on ellipse is taken as A cos theta and B sin theta. Any point on ellipse is taken as A cos theta, or I can say it is 2 root 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta. 2 root 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta. This comes out to be the sides of a rectangle. So which means I take this as a origin. I take this as a center at origin. Any point on ellipse is taken as, so what I'll do it, I'll suppose this is rectangle. मैं इस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया निकाल लेता हूं, इसे 4 से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो इट विल एरिया विल कम आउट टू बी दिस वन. So it comes out to be area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. This is center 0 0 obviously, and then area of rectangle. area of rectangle is equal to, this is 4 into it comes out to be, this is 2 root 2 cos theta. This side from here to here it is 2 root 2 cos theta. Here to here is 2 sin theta. 4 into 2 root 2 cos theta into sin theta. It is 16 root 2 into cos theta sin theta. This is area. Now it comes out to be dA upon d theta. This is 16 root 2. It comes out to be cos theta outside. It comes out to be cos theta into cos square theta, plus it comes out to be sin theta into minus sin theta. For maxima or minima, dA upon d theta is equal to 0. Cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. I can say this is tan square theta is equal to 1, or theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Then I can say this is the point P is it comes out to be, it is 2 comma, this is 2 upon root 2, or it is 2 comma root 2. That means I can say this is if I draw A, B, C, D, A, P, B, Q, I'll say. I take it this is a triangle. Now this distance, this is I can say center. This is, so the length from this is 2 root 2, or I can say this is 2 root 2, or length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is equal to this whole, that is 2 into 2 root 2. 2 into 2, it comes out to be 4. And breadth of rectangle, it comes out to be 2 into root 2. This is 2 root 2. So length it comes out to be 4, and the breadth it comes out to be 2 root 2. So the right answer is, it is A part. The sides of a rectangle of greatest area which can be inscribed in ellipse is this one. So any point on ellipse is taken as this one. Then area of rectangle, we find out the area of one rectangle multiplied by 4, we got it area. For maxima or minima, area of dA over d theta is 0, theta is pi by 4. So any point on ellipse, it is 2 root 2. So length of rectangle is twice of this one, and the breadth is twice of this one, that is 2 into root 2. So it comes out to be 4 and 2 root 2 other sides. Now the next problem of our booklet is, it is question number 34. A point P is given on circumference. A point P is given on circumference. Circumference of a circle of radius r. The chord QR is parallel to tangent at P. Maximum the maximum area of rectangle, the maximum area of triangle PQR is A 3 root 2 upon 4 r square, B 3 root 3 upon 4 r square, C 3 upon r, D none. So a point P is given on a circumference. We can say, I just draw one circle over here, and from this is I can say P, this is Q, this is R. A point P is given on circumference of a circle of radius R. This is a circle whose radius is given to be R. The chord QR is parallel to tangent at P. The maximum area of triangle PQR. Now this is the area. This will be completed if I just do it this one. This is, I take it center O, and it comes out to be, I can take it, say, I suppose this as a theta. I take this as a theta. This is our R. This is our R. So this is OPQ. This is M. So first of all, I had to find out, this is area of triangle is half into QR into PM. It is QM upon R is equal to cos theta. This distance QM, I can say QM is equal to R cos theta. This is OM upon R is equal to sin theta. OM is equal to R sin theta. It comes out to be, this is, now area. Area is equal to half QR. QR is equal to 2 into QM into PM. PM is equal to, it is R plus OM. This is PO, this whole is R plus OM. This is half into 2 cancel out, it is QM into R. R plus, this is QM, I will say this is QM. QM is R cos theta into R plus R sin theta. It comes out to be R square cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. It is area. dA upon d theta is equal to R theta minus sin theta. It is plus cos square theta plus minus sin square theta. Now for maxima or minima, for maxima or minima, dA upon d theta is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. I can say this is, we can make it quadratic in sign. We'll got it what it is, minus sin theta plus 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 0. 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. It comes out to be 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 sin theta common, it is sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to, it comes out to be minus half. Sin theta is equal to minus half. It is theta equal to, this is theta. Now we have to find out what, पहले हम देख लेते हैं हमें निकालना क्या. We have to find out the maximum area. तो sin theta की वैल्यू आ गई, it is minus half. We can find out, say, now we can find out the cos theta also from here, or theta I can say. भाई एक मिनट के लिए हम चेक कर रहे हैं. sin theta is equal to plus half है. Here sin theta is equal to half, theta is equal to pi by 6. So area is equal to what? I can say area is equal to, it comes out to be r square pi by 6 cos pi by 3. It comes out to be cos pi by 3. It is cos pi by 6, it is root 3 upon 2. It is root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2. It comes out to be into, this is r square root 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2. This is r square into, it comes out to be 3 root 3 upon 4. This is our area. Ultimate, जब हम डबल डेरिवेटिव करेंगे we get it, this is a maximum, मतलब डबल डेरिवेटिव करके we get it negative 1. So answer comes out to be, it is this I can say this is B part. So question number 34 का the right answer is B part. करना कैसे है? We just make the alteration, we make theta, we find out this, say we find out QR, we find out PR, and we find out area. एरिया निकालने के बाद डी ओवर डी थीटा निकाला, थीटा जीरो पुट किया तो थीटा किसके इक्वल आ गया? पाई बाय 6. सो द राइट आंसर इज बी पार्ट. Now the next question is question number 35th. Question number 35th is, it is a running track of 440 is to be laid enclosing a football field, the shape of which is rectangle with a semicircle at each end. It comes out to be, this is rectangle. Say it comes out to be, it is, the question is a running track is to be, a running track of 440 feet is to be laid out, enclosing a football field, the shape of which is rectangle with semicircle at each end, if area is maximum, length of sides are, it comes out to be A 110,70, 120, 60, C 130, 50, and D none. Now running track of 440 feet has to be laid out. So उसमें मैं क्या करता हूँ, पहले I just make it like this way. It comes out to be, this is X, this is Y. It comes out to be, now whole circumference is given as 440. 440 is equal to, this is also X. It is 2X plus 2 into half into, हम कर रहे हैं, it is 2 into half into 2 pi r, it is 2 pi into y by 2. The radius of semicircle will be y by 2. So half 2 pi r, I can say this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. I can get it 2x plus pi y. This is 440. Now area is to be maximum. तो area किसके इक्वल आएगा? हमें गिवन है area. Area given to be, area of rectangular portion is maximum. हमें गिवन है area is maximum, मतलब सिर्फ area of rectangular portion is maximum. Area is equal to xy. This is equal to x into, it is 440 minus 2x upon pi. And it comes out to be, this is dA upon dx. This is 1 upon pi, 440. 440 minus 4x is equal to 0. It comes out to be, now for maxima or minima, dA upon dx is equal to 0. For maxima or minima, dA over dx is 0. It is 4x upon 440. It is x is equal to 110. X is equal to 110. I got it. It is 440 minus 220 is equal to pi y. It is equal to pi y, and y we can get it. It is, से हमने निकालना क्या? We have to get it y also. It is 220 is equal to pi y. और पाई वाई मतलब पाई की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. इट कम्स आउट टू बी योर, it is y is equal to 220 upon 220 into 7. Y comes out to be 70. So answer is x is 110 and y is 70. So हमें क्वेश्चन क्या गिवन है? क्वेश्चन नंबर this is question number 35. A running track of 450 feet is to be laid out enclosing a football field shape of which is rectangle with semicircle. Here given a have area. Area हमें given a if rectangular area. Whole area is not maximum. हमें given a सिर्फ rectangular area is maximum. So 440 is this one whole. So we find out 2 into half into 2 pi r. 440 2x plus pi y, and area is x into this one. D over dx, x is equal to 110, y will come out to be 70. So sides are 110 and 70. So A part is the right option. आज कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं द लेफ्ट ओवर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ मैक्सिमा मिनिमा. अगली प्रॉब्लम है मैक्सिमा मिनिमा की, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 ऑफ आवर बुकलेट. Question number 36 of our booklet. The question is the ratio of altitude, the ratio of altitude of cone of greatest volume which can be inscribed in a given sphere to the diameter of sphere is A option is 2 by 3, B option is 3 by 4, C option is 1 by 3, and D option is 1 by 4. हमें ये है क्वेश्चन में द रेशियो ऑफ altitude of cone of greatest volume which can be inscribed in a sphere. That means we draw a figure, we draw a sphere, and in the which we draw a cone. We inscribed a cone. This is a sphere, this is the center of sphere we inscribed. We'll say this is R. This will be R, this will be R. This is O, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. OD is equal to height of cone is equal to H is equal to R plus X. Now it comes out to be the ratio of the altitude of the greatest volume which can be inscribed or sphere is. अब हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, we take it the sphere जो तो हम ले रहे हैं, it comes out to be, हम कैपिटल R भी ले सकते हैं. It comes to this is I suppose it this is capital R. So this is I can say H is equal to R plus X. Now greatest volume, the ratio of the altitude of greatest volume that can be inscribed in a given sphere, that is volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi R square H. R square किसके इक्वल आएगा? R square is equal to X square plus R square. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi. R square is equal to R square minus X square. H is equal to R plus X. Now this is a volume. This volume is to be maximum. Greatest करना है. Greatest के लिए क्या करेंगे? We find out dV upon dx. This is pi by 3. It comes out to be, it is R square minus X square outside into 1 plus R plus X into it is minus 2x. Then it comes out to be, this is for maxima or minima. For maxima or minima, dV upon dx is equal to 0. For maxima or minima, dv by dx is equal to 0, r plus x common. It comes out to be r minus x minus 2x is equal to 0. It is x can't be equal to minus r, or it is x can't be equal to minus r. I can say x will be equal to r by 3. So x will be equal to r by 3. Now this is x and we have to find out. See, we have to the ratio of the altitude. Altitude altitude is equal to, it is height is equal to r plus x. This is h is equal to, it is r plus r by 3, it is h is equal to 4r by 3. h is equal to 4r by 3. Now we go for, it is हमने जो ratio निकालनी, we have to calculate it. हमने निकालने the ratio of the height h upon diameter. H is equal to 4r by 3. Diameter is equal to 2r. This comes out to be, it is r and r will be cancelled out, 2 by 3. So answer comes out to be, the ratio is, it is 2 by 3, the A option. So question number 36 की the right option is A part. अब देखो, अब इसे हमने करना कैसे किया, the ratio of the altitude of cone of greatest volume which can be inscribed in a given sphere. A cone is inscribed in a sphere. जब एक कोन को इंस्क्राइब करेंगे तो क्लियरली this all vertices will lie on the sphere. Now clearly it is a cone and I suppose it is the radius. Say r is the radius of sphere. I suppose r is the radius of sphere and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is r and here I can say r square is equal to x square plus r square. From here I can conclude it is r square is equal to r square minus x square. Now volume is equal to 1 by 3 into r square is equal to r square minus x square, h is r plus x. Pi by 3 r square minus x, r plus x into minus 2x. For maxima or minima, dv by dx is equal to 0. X is equal to r by 3. X is equal to r by 3, altitude is equal to r plus x, h is equal to r plus r by 3, it is 4r by 3. This is the height. Now clearly we have to find out the ratio between h height and the diameter. H is 4r by 3 and the diameter is 2r, it comes out to be 2 by 3. So A is the right option. Now I am taking the last problem of maxima minima, that is question number 37, and it is also the last question of our assignment. The question is the height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius A is A 2a by root 3, B A upon root 2, C 5a upon 4, and D it is none of these. The height of a cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius A. Now the height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere. So we take it, one cylinder is inscribed in a sphere. This is, we can take it height also. So it is a radius is A. This is A. This is A B C. Now A is radius of sphere. A is the radius of sphere. Let R and X be the radius and diameter of cylinder, and H be the height of cylinder. and h be the height of cylinder. Now it is 2a the whole square is equal to h square plus x square. 4a square is equal to h square plus x square. और now this is a relation. Now हमने क्या करना है? We have to maximize the volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume is equal to pi r. R is equal to what? R is equal to, it comes out to be x by 2. X square by 4 into h. R is equal to x square by 4. It is x square is equal to 4a square minus h square. It is volume is equal to pi h by 4. It is 4a square minus h square. Volume is equal to pi by 4. It comes out to be, it is 4a square h minus h cube. Now this is dy by dh. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We find out dv by dh. dv upon dh. This is equal to pi by 4. It comes out to be 4h square minus 3h square. For maxima or minima. For maxima or minima, dv upon dh is equal to dz. That is 4a square is equal to 3h square. Or h is equal to 2a by root 3. That is, a part is our right option. So we just do it once again. हमें given था a cylinder is inscribed in a cylinder in a sphere. When a cylinder is inscribed in a sphere, clearly it will be like this way. This is the height, I suppose it. This is the x diameter, I suppose it. So I got a relation x square is equal to 4a square minus h square. Volume is equal to pi r square h, and the radius is equal to what? Radius is equal to x by 2. That is x square by 4. Now the value of x square is 4a square minus h square. It is 4a square h minus x cube. dv by dh is equal to 4a square minus 3h square. For maxima or minima, this is equal to h will come out to be 2a by root 3. अब देखो ऐसे जितने भी क्वेश्चन किए हैं हमने वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, हमने मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा प्रूव नहीं किया, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्टिव में जरूरत नहीं है इस चीज को प्रूव करने की. नाउ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा. नाउ अब मैं एप्लीकेशन और डेरिवेटिव्स का अगला टॉपिक ले रहा हूं, एंड दैट टॉपिक इज टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल्स. Tangent and normals. This is the thing. Now tangent and normals. Tangents and normals. टेंजेंट क्या होता है? किसी कर्व के कोई इट जस्ट टचेज एट वन पॉइंट, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे टेंजेंट इज अ लाइन विच टचेज एनी कर्व at one point is called tangent, and at that very point if we draw a perpendicular, this is called normal. This is called tangent and this is called normal. इसमें सबसे पहले आता है the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, it can be calculated, it is dv by dx. Slope of tangent can be calculated as dv by dx, और इसको हम बोलते हैं m, या इसको बोल देते हैं tangent theta, where theta is angle which tangent makes with x-axis, makes with positive direction of x-axis. जैसे we can check it out. Let line is ax plus by plus c. and slope, we know that this is minus a upon b, it is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. यदि हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, we got it a plus b dy by dx. This is equal to 0. I can say same dy by dx is equal to minus a over b. So dy by dx is called slope of any curve. Next side, this is first thing. Second thing, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then कोई भी लाइन जब x-axis के parallel होगी तो theta will be equal to 0. That means I can say dy by dx is equal to 0. The third thing is, if tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, if tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, then theta is equal to 90 degree and m is equal to tan of 90 degree, it is 1 upon 0. Or I can say it is dx upon dy is equal to 0. Dx upon dy is equal to 0. This is tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. Then it comes out to be next. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Equation of tangent at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Fifth, equation of normal at x1 y1. It comes out to be fifth one is equation of normal at x1 y1 can be calculated as y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m x minus x1. Now the next thing it comes out to be length of tangent. Length of tangent क्या होती है देखो. I draw one curve this is theta. I draw this will be normal, this is m, this is t. I draw perpendicular from this one. This is called perpendicular. We draw perpendicular at a point of tangent. And I suppose this point is pxy. This point is x1 y1. It means this is, and this is pn. This is, I can say this is a normal. So from here I can say this is x. यहाँ से this distance is x and this distance is y. This is, we can say this is equation, it is O. So length of tangent क्या होती है? The length of tangent is the distance of the tangent. Length of tangent होती है the distance of the point, the distance from the point which where curve meets the tangent and where from and it meets the x-axis. PT here I'll say the length of tangent is PT. The length of tangent is PT. PT अब कैसे आएगा? This is angle theta and this angle by geometry I also can say as opposite theta. Now I can say PT is equal to, this is distance PMN. I can say this is PT. We had to find out the PT. PT आ जाएगा इन ट्रायंगल. PT का जो फार्मूला बना है that is equal to, it comes out to be y cosecant थीटा. हाउ, ये आया कैसे है, हम इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं. वैसे कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है, बट एक बार प्रूव कर देता हूं आपको. It comes out to be, it is we have to find out, this is theta. Here the distance is PT is equal to y. I can say sine theta is equal to, this is sine theta is equal to, it is y upon PT. This is y upon PT in triangle PTM. PT is equal to y upon sine theta, or I can say y into cosecant theta. So the length of tangent is, is a tangent at the point where curve meet, and the distance of that point where tangent meet the x-axis is called PT. So PT का formula we remember it, or PT we can say this is equal to y cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. This is equal to y dy by dx the whole square plus 1 upon dy by dx. This is y into dy by dx the whole square plus 1 over dy by dx. This is the length of tangent. Then it comes out to be next. The next thing is, this is the first, this is called length of tangent. The second thing is length of normal. Length of normal is similarly like this way. Length of normal is where tangent meet the curve, and from that point where curve meet the x-axis. That is called Pn. So length of normal is equal to Pn. And we can say also from here also we can prove here. It is, I just take it, this is theta. So I can do it like this way. This is, it can be written as Pn is equal to y secant theta. We directly write down. Cos theta is equal to, it comes out of this upon this. That is, हम क्या करेंगे, it is y upon Pn is equal to cos theta. It is y secant theta is equal to Pn. ये in triangle PMN. So Pn is equal to y secant theta. Pn is equal to, it is y, it is 1 plus tan square theta, or Pn I can say this is equal to y into 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. This is our length of normal. The next is, it is अगला आता है, it comes out to length of subtangent. Length of subtangent. This is P, this is T, this we draw it, this is M, we draw perpendicular, this is N, it is PT. This is theta, this is theta. So length of tangent, that is equal to, it is length of subtangent. Length of subtangent is, this is basically distance where tangent meet the x-axis to a perpendicular drawn from point of intersection of tangent and curve. That is, we can say this is the PM. So length of tangent is, it is not say PM, PM is this one, this is TM. Length of tangent, this is equal to TM. Tm is equal to, this is equal to y of cot theta, y, this is equal to y into It is cosecant square theta minus 1. It is y cot theta, or I can say y dx upon dy. This is length of subtangent, and then it is the third thing, and the fourth thing is length of subnormal. Length of subnormal is equal to mn. This is equal to y of tan theta. This is equal to y dy by dx. So this is the 4 points लिखवा है. The next point from here is fifth point is fifth point of tangent and normal is it is intercept of tangent on x-axis is equal to x minus y dx upon dy. 6th point, intercept of tangent on y-axis this is y minus x dy by dx. This is intercept of tangent on y-axis. This is a direct formula. The next point, it comes out to be angle between curves. Angle between curves. This is one curve. This is another curve. We draw. We suppose this is any point. It is a point of intersection. So we draw a curve. We draw a tangent at a point of intersection to first curve and second curve. This is, I can say, this is alpha. And here it is, I can say phi. So let V are given. Two curves, y is equal to fx and y is equal to fx. Angle between them is theta. Angle between them is theta. Then tan theta equal to. Let there are two curves, y is equal to fx and y is equal to fx, and theta is the angle between them. Then tan theta is equal to f dash x minus f dash x 1 plus f dash x into f dash x. Now इसमें आता है first point is condition for orthogonality. The first point, it comes out to be condition for orthogonality. Condition for orthogonality मतलब when curves will be at right angle. When curves will be at right angle, or it is, I can say this is m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, or f1 dash x f2 dash x at particular point, this is equal to minus 1. Then the second point is condition for two curves to touch is f1 dash x is equal to f2 dash x. Condition for, so इसमें condition क्या लगेगी? जब दो curve touch हो रही होंगी तो we'll say the condition is f1 dash x is equal to f2 dash x. This is f dash x or f2 dash x. This is all theory of your This is all theory of your tangent and normal. Now I am just coming to the problems of our booklet. The first problem I am taking it. It is question number first of tangent and normal. The equation of tangent to curve 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1 at points of its intersection. At points of intersection with curve x plus 1 into y is equal to 1 are given by. A option is x plus 2y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. B, x plus 2y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. C option is x plus 2y is equal to 2. This is y is equal to 1. D, x plus 2y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. The equation of tangent to the curve, see, it comes out to be, this is y, I suppose it here, 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now, this is one thing, and I find out dy by dx. The equation of tangent to the curve at a point of intersection of this and this, dy by dx is equal to, it is minus 1 plus x square the power minus 2 into 2x. This is minus 2x upon 1 plus x square the whole square. So equation of tangent at a point of intersection of the curve with this one. So it is y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square for point of intersection. Point of intersection के लिए we find out the y. Now we equate it. 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon 1 plus x. 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x square. X square minus x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and 1. Now x is equal to 0 and 1. I think at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, this is m. M is equal to 0. And at x is equal to 1, m is equal to minus 2 upon. It is 4, it is minus 1 by 2. So m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the equation of tangent. It is equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. किस point पर? When x is equal to 0, I find out y over here. Y क्या निकलेगा? It comes out to be. It comes out to be, it is, किसी एक curve में put कर देंगे, we find out it is y is equal to 1. And it comes out to be 1 by 2. So points are 0, 1 and 1 comma half. So equation of tangent at 0, 1. This is y minus 1 is equal to. This is equal to, it is 0 into x minus 0. It is y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at, it is 1 comma half. This is equal to y minus half is equal to, this is minus half into x minus 1. This is 2y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 1. This is x plus 2y is equal to 2. So we find out these are the two results. These are the two tangents at two different points, that is 0, 1 and 1 half. So these two are the answers. I can say the right options is, it is C part. अब देखो इसको क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट को हमने कैसे करना है. The equation of a tangent to curve at point this one. First of all, we find out समझ लो point of intersection. This is for point of intersection. Now this is why we find out dy by dx at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, we find out this is slope. Now equation of tangent at 0, 1 and at 1 and a half. So we are these two are the results, or C part match.